Hey guys, and in this video, let's check the audio quality from GoPro Max and see if you can really vlog with this camera. So starting from now, I'm going to switch the audio that's gonna come from GoPro Max. So what's great about GoPro Max is that it has 6 microphones positioned all around the body, and it really has a quite decent audio. But what's also interesting with GoPro Max is that you can customize it a little bit, because you can choose which of the microphones you are going to use for a particular shot. For example, you can set it to use the microphones from the front, from the back, or you can even match the lens that you are currently using. So as I said, it's kind of cool that you can customize it in this way. And right now, you're listening to the GoPro Max set to stereo. How does it sound? Once again, as I said, GoPro Max is set to stereo mode. So let me quickly change it to different setting. And right now I set my GoPro Max to focus on the microphones to match the lens that I'm currently using. So is there any noticeable difference between one and the other? What do you think? Let me know about it in the comment sections below. And as a small bonus for this video, I'm going to compare the audio quality from GoPro Max with GoPro Hero 9 Black. Alright, and now let's compare the audio quality from both of these cameras. So right now, you're listening to the audio that's coming from the GoPro Hero 9 Black. How does it sound? Once again, this is the audio that's coming from the GoPro Hero 9 Black. And right now, you're listening to the audio that's coming from the GoPro Max, which is set to stereo mode. Once again, this is the audio that's coming from the GoPro Max in stereo mode. Let me quickly change it for match lens now. Alright, so I just quickly changed the settings, and GoPro Max is actually set to prioritize the microphones to match the lens that I'm currently using. So once again, this is the audio that's coming from the GoPro Hero 9 Black. How does it sound? Once again, this is the audio from Hero 9. And right now, you're listening to the audio that's coming from the GoPro Max, which is set to match the lens that I'm currently using. Once again, this is audio from the GoPro Max. Alright, enough with this indoor test, and now let's take both of these cameras outside and see how they perform. Alright, so let's test it out. So I took both of these cameras to a mangrove forest. I'm trying to vlog with a camera. Normally I don't do it. Normally I record videos at home with a controlled environment, but hell yeah. Okay, so what's the audio difference between those two cameras? Right now, GoPro Max is recording this video with match lens that I'm currently using. So what's the audio quality? And right now you're listening to the GoPro Hero 9 Black. So how does it sound? Once again, you're listening to the GoPro Hero 9 Black outdoor. And right now you're listening to the audio that's coming from the GoPro Max. So how does it sound? Once again, I would like to remind that GoPro Max is set to match the lens that I'm currently using. And now let's quickly switch GoPro Max microphones to stereo and let's compare the audio quality. Alright, so I just switched GoPro Max microphones to stereo mode. So yeah, this is what you can expect out of this camera. So for those of you who don't know me, guys, my whole channel is focused about GoPro topic. So if you want to learn more about GoPro, some tips and tricks, and as a small bonus, watch some travel videos from me traveling around Thailand, then subscribe to the channel. Anyway, so the whole point of this video, guys, was to just to give you a basic idea what you can expect when you're going to vlog with one of these cameras. Once again, both of these cameras really should have a very decent audio. GoPro Max has actually 6 microphones from what I remember, whereas Hero 9 Black has a really good they call it shotgun microphone, but I would say a front-facing microphone. Anyway, so yeah, this video should give you a real representation of what you might expect when you pick one of these cameras up and you are going to vlog with it. Okay, I'm walking up some tower, so perhaps there's going to be some wind, so maybe the audio gonna be a little bit worse than what it was before, but I really want to show you a real representation of what you can expect, so why not, let's do this. Anyway, that's gonna be a very simple video. Nothing too crazy. I could give you like 100 of examples, but I'm simply running out of time and I simply don't have that much time to just make this video the best I could. But still, if you want to know how these two cameras gonna perform when you're going to travel with your camera, talk to it, vlog with it, etc. And yeah, I think this is how it should be done. Alright, so I finally reached the top of the tower. There should be a little bit wind coming from the ocean, so perhaps that could a little affect the audio quality that's coming from the GoPro Max. So currently I'm prioritizing the microphones from the lens that I'm currently using, so I set my GoPro Max to match lens mode. Anyway guys, I will quickly change it for the last time to stereo mode, just to give you a basic idea how it sounds like. So I just set my GoPro Max to stereo mode, and yeah, this is how it sounds like. Once again, there will be some wind coming from the ocean, so that's gonna affect that comparison a little bit. Anyway guys, this is, as I said, a very simple video, just showing you a real representation of what you can expect when you're going to vlog with your GoPro Max. Once again, thank you guys for watching this video. If you liked it and you learned something from it, then give me a thumb up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't before, smash the notification button so you don't miss my future content guys, and see you in the next one. Bye!